Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your TV if you're just seeing a black screen. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now, this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this fixed your problem, great. If not, this next fix should almost definitely fix your problem. A lot of the TVs out there, especially the Roku TVs, have a little reset hole located on the TV. You just need to take a paper clip and push that down for about 15 seconds. If you have a Sony TV, you want to hold down the power and volume down buttons as you plug in the TV. If you have a Vizio TV, just hold down the volume down and input buttons on the TV for about 15 seconds while it's on,